husband. Ethan! Get in here, quickly, go. Oh, hi, honey.
Hi.
You are early.
Yeah, I need to go to the bathroom, baby.
You need to go right now?
What's wrong with you? I need to go to the bathroom.
Everything is fine now, ma'am. Oh, hello, sir.
Hi.
Hi.
Who are you?
I'm the plumber.
Yeah, the plumber.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, thank you, kind sir.
You're welcome.
Excuse me.
Everything's fine, right?
Yes, everything's fine.
See you later.
Go.
Honey? You okay? You look pale.
No, I'm fine. I'm just surprised you came home early.
Yeah, I finished early today. But good thing the plumber was here, right? What was wrong anyway?
Oh, nothing important. I'm just so happy you're home.
Oh, baby. Will you open it?
Say hello from me to the plumber you saw yesterday. You dropped those earlier. I think he might need them.
Who is it, baby?
None, it's Linda, the neighbor.
Linda, what are you doing here?
Oh, I just bought something. I thought it belonged to Camilla.
What is that?
Nothing. Nothing important.
Well, for some, it could be important, especially for men who leave such things at the wrong places.
Maybe I'm missing a pair of underwear and I don't know it, huh?
Not this time, Dylan.
Okay.
Linda. Maybe we drink coffee sometime?
If I were you, I would do the math before someone else does it for you.
Bye, Linda.
What was that about?
It's Linda, as always.
Okay. Baby, I have to go now. Call me if you need anything, okay?
You look awfully quiet. Is something wrong?
No.
I miss you so much.
What is that?
I can't stop thinking about you.
You recorded me without permission?
I needed proof.
So, this is where we are now. I think I understand.
This was a setup?
No. Nothing was a setup.
Dylan, please,
No, just don't. You were mine, Camilla. Now you're nothing. And we are done.
But you work all the time. You don't have time for me, right? You're always working.
You're unbelievably selfish. But now we're done. There's nothing between us. And you, thank you for showing me who she really is. Here's your prize.
Anytime, man. Anytime. You told me we were divorced.
Come on. Come on. Don't make it about you.
You're a bad person, you know that? I hope I never see you again. Well, this was fun.
Ethan, wait.
Goodbye, cheater.